Federal court in Pensacola heard arguments today in a lawsuit brought against the federal government by attorneys general from 20 states. They say that the Obama administration's new health care law is unconstitutional and would set a dangerous precedent when it comes to the amount of power that the government has over you. Fox 10 News reporter Hal Sherrick has reaction from the courthouse.
What part of the Constitution is giving them the right, as though somehow they've got the responsibility to take care of me? Can't I take care of me, myself?
Michael Sheehan waited outside the federal courthouse along with others to show support of a lawsuit brought against the federal government over the new health care reform law. Florida Attorney General Bill McCollum led the charge along with attorneys general from 19 other states, including Alabama. At issue is the requirement for individuals to purchase health insurance beginning next year and for states to broaden their current Medicaid plans.
Both the individual mandate and the question with regard to Medicaid is a violation of state sovereignty. And I think that connection was made well today in both arguments.
Judge Roger Vinson listened to arguments for nearly 3 hours, but gave no ruling today. The states involved with the lawsuit came out confident the judge would rule in their favor. There were a few instances during today's proceeding where Attorney General McCollum said that Judge Vinson seemed to favor the state's side of the argument.
When he said, you know, if Congress has the power to do this, to require you to buy an insurance policy in this situation because it's for everybody's benefit, and so you won't hurt other people, why wouldn't they be able to require you to buy broccoli and eat it so you can stay healthier and don't get sick, because that too would affect economic conditions of other people.
On the second issue of Medicaid expansion in the states, they argued that the extra services would require too much additional funding and would be too heavy a burden. Groups in favor of the new law, like Families USA, disagree.
States will pay only a fraction of the total cost of expansion. In fact, more than 94% of the cost of Medicaid expansion in Florida through the year 2019 will be covered by the federal government.
As the law stands, because of the huge liabilities the states would be under if they fail to find the additional money it would take to participate in Medicaid, the states wrote in their filing, there is no room for reasonable disagreement. Reporting from Pensacola, Hal Sherrick, Fox 10 News.
Today's proceedings came on the heels of a federal court in Virginia ruling in favor of that state's attorney general in a similar lawsuit earlier this week.